I had a very peaceful night last night. I don't have to wake up early because today is my off day. But I forgot to turn off my alarm. So I take a little bit of time in my bed. But can't get sleep anymore. I open the curtains and the windows, look at outside, how the world is going on. It's just like a normal day. It's not so special. It's hot in Thailand, so I stretch my body and I think it's time for a cup of tea. I was so thirsty this morning, so I couldn't wait for a cup of tea. Just a glass of water first. For my breakfast, 3 boiled eggs and steamed rice is enough for me. I don't want to spend too much time for food. I just want to spend more time for me to relax. And taking a shower is essential for me because it's really hot. It's not my mother country. My mother country is not hot as in Thailand. So take a shower every morning after breakfast. Finally, it's time for my specialty. I enjoy it very much. And my morning can't go without reading. I don't have special books, just some small notes from the internet I I took yesterday. After reading for 20 minutes, I start to make my breakfast. And just relax for my energy to start the new days with tomorrow again. Bye bye. If you enjoy this video, please like or comment what kinds of video you want me to upload. Thank you for your time, my friends.